Hey guys, Nolan here with another plant talk. Today we're talking about the eastern hemlock, also known as Suya canadiensis. Now this tree can also be known as the Canada hemlock. It is a conifer and it grows up to 30 meters tall. So this one, probably around 10 meters tall, it's not too big. That one over there is probably about as its extent, that huge one right there. And as you can see with this large tree, so there's a big base and it tapers smaller and smaller as you get to the top of the tree. These trees can live over 500 years and the branches go straight out from the trunk and then the leaves droop down. Now this tree doesn't have any cones on it right now, but I'll put a picture in right here. They are 12 to 20 millimeters long. Now this tree likes moist soils, dry soils, and it's very shade tolerant. I typically tend to find them on top of edges of hills along creeks. So you can see we have 1, 2, and down there we have a creek. This is kind of the top of the hill. So this is typically the kind of area I'll find them in. Now this tree has been used for brooms. You can make the needles into a tea. The inner bark can be eaten raw or boiled or made into flour. There's an invasive insect hitting these guys. It is called the hemlock woolly agalid. It feeds on the nutrients at the base of the needles, eventually killing the tree. Speaking of the needles, these guys are kind of like a shiny glossy green on top, and then they have a pale underside to them. And they're very short needles, and they kind of come out from the branch, sort of like a flat spruce tree they kind of look like. Now, your fun fact for the eastern hemlock is it's a tree species with tannin in its bark. Tannin has been used to treat hide into leather. And that has been the eastern hemlock.